When it comes to AI, everyone talks about none other than NVIDIA. But what if I told you there are two companies quietly building the actual infrastructure for enterprise AI adoption? And today we're talking about two stocks that you may not have heard of, and their names are ticker symbol ZETA and ticker symbol now ServiceNow Incorporated. And these are two companies seeing massive AI driven growth right now. And one is using AI to transform marketing and customer data. The other is trying to become the operating system for enterprise automation and autonomous AI agents. And honestly, both of these companies just reported very strong earnings, and I do want to break it down with you guys. And if you want more videos on AI stocks, growth companies, defense stocks, and major market opportunities, please hit the subscribe button, as I do post almost daily, and I love making the content that you guys want to see. Now, real quick, before I do get into the stocks, shout out to one of my loyal subscribers, Happy Fairy Tales. He was the person to give me the idea to cover this stock, so shout out to you. Now, let's first talk about ZETA. I know I had ticker symbol now up, but let's talk about ZETA. ZETA, which is currently trading at $17.12. Claude has bullish one-year projections with price levels of $20, with a price target of $20.54, which is growth of 20%. And ZETA is basically an AI-powered marketing technology company. And I want you to think of it as a combination of AI, advertising technology, customer analytics, predictive data, and SOAS software. Their platform helps businesses answer questions like which customers are most likely to buy, who is likely to cancel, which ads should be shown, and which emails are most likely to convert. And their core product is called the ZETA Marketing Platform. And this platform automates marketing across email, websites, mobile apps, connected TV, digital ads, and customer targeting systems. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you ever need help making better decisions with investing, simply take a look at the first link below to get access to my community and support yourself with like-minded investors and get access to the world's leading AI models: Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, and Grok. Get all of this software for $7 in my community, and my community is free. Now, honestly, ZETA recent earnings were very impressive. I'm not going to open the report, but I did check out the report. I did check it out. So please, if you don't believe me, do your own due diligence and just go and look at the 10Q. The company reported $396 million in quarterly revenue, which represented nearly 50% year-over-year growth. And that's massive. And gross margins, they came in at around 59%. And while the company still repeated an operating loss of roughly negative $18.8 million, investors may tolerate that because growth is accelerating aggressively, not slightly, but aggressively. And the company also ended the quarter with nearly $289 million in cash. And management raised guidance again after beating estimates for the 19th consecutive quarter, which is very good. That shows that they're consistent and what they're doing is working. And that's the type of consistency, excuse me, guys, that's the type of consistency that Wall Street loves to see. Now, one of the biggest drivers growth right now is Athena by ZETA. This is their AI-powered platform helping enterprise customers automate and optimize marketing campaigns. And this matters because businesses are trying to use AI to be able to improve advertising efficiency, predict customer behavior, increase retention, and improve conversion rates. And this is becoming a huge market. Now, transitioning over to ServiceNow, ticker symbol now, it's currently trading at $91.59. And Claude, if I wasn't mistaken, also had bullish one-year projections with a rise in price of 22.5% at price targets at $112.20 from the current price levels of $91.59. So when it comes to ServiceNow, honestly, ServiceNow may be becoming one of the most important enterprise AI companies in the world. The easiest way to think about ServiceNow is this. It automates digital workflows for massive corporations, and instead of companies relying on emails, spreadsheets, manual processes, and disconnected systems, ServiceNow creates one centralized AI-powered workflow platform. And this software helps businesses automate. Here's a bunch of things that they help automate, guys. I got a few. To list out for you. It's IT support, HI operations, customer service, cybersecurity, employee onboarding, risk management, and enterprise workflows. What's crazy about that is that over 85% of Fortune 500 companies use ServiceNow. So obviously that's huge because it shows that what they do is valuable enough for over 85% of the Fortune 500 companies to utilize their services. And that shows that this isn't just some speculative tiny startup anymore. This company is deeply integrated into enterprise operations across the world. And that recent earnings report was very strong. And ServiceNow, again, if you don't believe me, please check out the report for yourself. Just look up the quarterly report. ServiceNow, what they reported was $3.77 billion in revenue, and adjusted EPS came in at 97 cents, which beat analysts' expectations by a pretty wide margin. But honestly, the most important part of the report was AI growth. And deals for Now Assist and their AI platform, it grew 130% year over year for customers spending more than $1 million annually. And that's a massive signal that enterprise AI adoption is accelerating. And then things got even crazier at the company's Knowledge 2026 conference. And ServiceNow, they unveiled autonomous AI specialists. And these are AI agents capable of handling work across CRM, IT, employee services, and security operations. And the company also introduced AI Control Tower, which helps businesses monitor and govern AI systems. And this matters because corporations are becoming worried about AI chaos, security risks, compliance issues, and AI agent sprawl. And ServiceNow wants to become the control center for enterprise AI. And the partnerships here are honestly huge because ServiceNow expanded partnerships with NVIDIA, Microsoft, Accenture, and FedEx. And they're integrating deeply into enterprise AI infrastructure. And this is becoming way bigger than just a workflow software workflow software company. That's a tongue twister. Now, what do we always do in these videos when we break down companies? We do our best to be as unbiased as possible and never to marry a stock. So obviously, neither of these two companies I mentioned are risk-free. There's no such thing as risk-free in the stock market. I don't care what you invest in. I mean, obviously history repeats itself that over a 30-year period, no one loses in the S&P 500, but you get the point. ZETA, competition from Google, Meta, Adobe, Salesforce, and Oracle is intense. And if advertising spending weakens, growth could slow. For ServiceNow, expectations are becoming very high, and high multiple software stocks can get hit hard during broader tech sell-offs. Plus, AI hype across the sector is becoming extreme. But overall, I think both of these companies show something very important happening in the market right now. AI is moving beyond just chatbots and hype and into real enterprise infrastructure. ZETA is using AI to optimize customer targeting and advertising. ServiceNow is using AI to automate enterprise workflows and build autonomous digital workers. And honestly, this may be only the beginning of enterprise AI boom, but I want to know what you guys think in the video. So please comment below what it is you think about ZETA and ServiceNow. But with that being said, guys, InvestQ out, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.